love this one. I love this one. I love this one. Nails, 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 nails. Have so many nails. Cinnamon, Romy, Romy.
The other one, what's that?
Stickers for nails, stickers for nails.
The other one, the other one.
Makeup.
Open it. Carry mo. What's that?
Wow.
It looks so... Should I put it on me?
Did you say?
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah, how do I like... Bro.
Oh, put,
I know,
close mo.
wait, I know there's a second floor.
Oh,
Here's a
close
plastic.
mo. So you like it?
Sa plastic oh.
You like
Yeah,
it?
put it.
Like it?
Sira yung ano.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Take it forever.
Makeup coming.
Okay, what's that? Read it.
From Ate Gabi, Ate Bella.
Ah, kay Gabi at Bella. Okay.
Because the other one she was with in school eh. Bruh, what the? Necklace!
Nako, may dagdag na naman. Keep na muna yan.
Hey, hey. What's this? What's this? And then,
May dagdag kalat.
oh yeah, these are flowers.
Dito pala yung flowers eh. Sabi mo nasa labas.
Here,
Oh, what's that?
one.
Open mo. Kanino yung
Bless,
galing?
happy birthday, Alexa. Then,
Nako, arinola siguro yan. Yeah, kay Brian. Open it. Kay asan anak ni Monique.
sticker! May sticker!
Magdikit-dikit kami.
Dali na. High blood. Kaya nga niloloko ko na lang. Kaldero ang laman yan. Para hindi ako wayin. Open na. Oh, bring
I
it
know
out.
what is this. I dream to have a piggy bank. This is
Lo. Mayroon ka na, Lo. Okay, that's for Lolo. I'm sure that's for Lolo. Siyempre, sino bang tagalagay ng barya mo?
ako.
Ano ko?
Maganda open.
Ah,
I know, Mama, I know how to do that. Do you know how? You don't know how to do that, Mama?
why? How you do that ba? I'll teach to Lolo. Oh, how?
You put the money here.
And then?
And then.
Naku, wag mo ituro kasi si Nainay. Oh. Ah, pwede palang nakawin namin yan ng susi.
Merong susi.
Ah, may susi pala.
There's how
And then,
put this.
oh, and then, where's the key?
Wait, the keys over here in the back.
Meron? Give mo kay Lolo.
The credit.
Ito talaga kay Lolo yan. Close mo.
It's like this. I'll
Boots mo, boom.
Other side. Other side naman.
And
How do I
then,
close this? Can somebody
Yes,
help
okay.
me to close?
Use the key.
close na yata yan eh.
Hindi, use the key.
Use the key para i-turn.
Ayun na, para makakain na si Lolo.
Yan. Oh, tanggalin mo. Huwag mo ikot uli, kay bukas yun. Oh, next. Close na, next.
It will be like this, open.
Next.
Keep the key.
And then,
Mahuhulog din dito. Makukuha din namin.
I'm just gonna leave it like,
Bigyan mo kay Lolo.
no, I'm gonna leave it like this.
Siya to Lolo. Si Lolo pa, para kay Lolo yan eh.
Wait, I think these are like,
Huwag mo muna
I don't
i-open.
know what is this.
Siya to Lolo first. Lolo, this is
Wait,
for you.
later. After this video,
Okay, next.
I'll just keep the bag.
Nandyan yung card yata eh. Ako, game.
No card. There's no card.
Next. Yung malalaki mo na.
This is from Kate. That's it. This is from Kate.
Gustong-gusto niya yan eh.
Never.
That's my
Oh, bigyan mo dito.
I'm Aries. It's a ram.
I'm gonna open this.
What's that?
This is
A ram yan eh.
Sa'yo mo, lakasan mo.
I don't. Can you read it?
Happy birthday, Alexa from Mel. Nako, yan ang inaabangan ni Richel.
Yan na, hindi ka siya papalitan natin na.
Yan na, Insan Mel. Sige, okay na yan. Kabidyo naman eh.
Just
Go. Doon mo buwanan sa scotch tape. Punitin mo sa gitna. Insan Mel, ito na. Kinakabahan si Chi.
can you open? I just broke.
Hold it, hold it.
I just broke the name.
It's okay.
Ayan, kinakabahan kami kasi pang 7 years old pero ang damit ni Alexa pang 10 years old to 12 years old. Ang kay Insan Mel is pang 7 years old, patay tayo. Ay, di garter naman. Agoy, nay, wala ka pa rin.
Ay, kasya sa akin yan eh.
Oh, kasya pala yan, Insan Mel. Kasya kasi di garter pala.
This one is so. This
Oh,
is
basahin mo.
doesn't even say any name.
Wala rin name? Wala.
Yan lang naman pa yan.
Di garter naman pala. Kasya yan kasi di garter. Oh, open mo.
The blue.
Uniqlo.
Wow, dress.
Oh, that it looks so cute.
Ay, balik mo sa paper bag. Walang pangalan yan?
Wala.
Ano natin ma-shout out yan. Next.
This one, man.
Forgive.
This Lolo
Lando.
Lando.
O, ano kaya yan? Yan ang pinaka-big surprises. Ano yan? Alak.
Oh, that's
El Alfonso. What's that?
clothes again. More clothes to come.
Alfonso yan. Ago. Kasya na yun eh. Biret. Terno. Wow. Ano yan?
Kasya para sa akin.
Ay, kasi sa'yo,
Yung t-shirt din kasya sa akin. Isa tayo.
Hindi,
Isa tayo.
never, never,
Isa
never.
tayo. Isa kami.
Ano ba?
Ay, nakalagay.
Niloloko nila, lo. Lo, niloloko nila. Kasya sa akin. Next. Next. Pang-last yung ano ni Ninang, yung dress. Go.
This is from here.
Ito, kasi kamukha ko to eh. Alice. Si Iris.
Mama,
Happy birthday, Alexa.
It's a rum.
Anong love? Sino? Ito. From Love Kate. Nasa likod pala.
oh yeah, Kate. I hope this is special too, like
Akala ko ito.
mine. More clothes.
Ito, sabi sa ano.
Wow, nice oh.
It's from Kate.
I-open mo.
I did already.
Kasya din sa akin yan.
Wait.
Oh, there's more. Kasya sa akin yan eh.
Hindi.
Did
Never.
you say?
Thank you,
Wow.
Kate.
And Tita O.
Tita SMB. This is my favorite part.
A butterfly.
Agoy kay Nay.
Diba, butterfly na favorite? Yung sa'yo, ano?
What did you say?
Diba yung favorite mo, ano,
Oh my God.
cockroach? Sa akin, butterfly.
What's that?
Diba?
Like it's like a necklace, I think.
Lisa, di ba you like the fly? Ako, like
It's a rosary.
kasi.
It looks like a rosary.
It's a diamond. It's a diamond.
Yeah.
Diamond. And the last one.
Dami oh.
Dami of a lot of gift from Kito.
I don't know what are these. I don't know what's this necklace. I don't know.
What did you say?
Butterfly.
Thank you, Kate.
Ay, ang cute dito.
Oh, necklace. What did you say? Kate Ann? Akin yung card.
Thank you, Kate and Tita SMB.
Pang ano.
Ako na mamaya. Balik mo. Tingnan mo yung butterfly. Wala na. Tinago na.
Ang cute yung kulay.
Ano ba?
Ayan,
naman.
Sa uli na, sa uli na.
Basahin mo. Tingnan mo alaga ni Nainay.
Kasi pala
Tingnan mo yung alaga ni Nainay.
Iris. Katayo kami Iris. Baro lang. Ay, ayaw din. Oo. Tatanggalan ko ng isang sungay yan.
Tita SMB, okay to. Bawal mong kunin yan. Bawal.
Tatanggalan ko ng sungay.
Bawal kunin. Alexa, happy 7th birthday from the Gabaldons. Tita Mar.
Tita Mar.
Kaka.
Wow.
Gaya ng tumbler yan.
And
Ayan.
Starbucks. This is from Starbucks. I'm
What
not giving
kulay?
this to Nana. And that's it. Should I pour the card?
Akin na dito.
I got it.
Oh, balik mo. Next.
Ang ganda yung paper bag, akin na lang yan. Hindi na balik.
This one.
Oh, Miniso. Sino nabigay?
Wala.
Birthday.
Wala.
Wala nakalagay na pangalan?
Hello.
Paano tayo
I think this
mag-shoutout?
is me.
Open mo.
I'm gonna do this.
Ninang?
I think. I don't know anything.
Buksan mo na.
There's none name.
Wala mga pangalan niya eh.
Buksan mo na
Buksan mo na.
Kasi yata sa wala mga pangalan. Mag-anak niya.
Where is it?
Pin mo na. Buhugutin mo na. Walang ballpen sa kanila kasi.
Magagamit mo yan pagka ano. May mag-birthday na classmate
Should I
mo.
just...
Kasi nilusot nila dito yo. Double ano.
Eh, broke na oh, sa side.
Broken na pala eh.
Sa side.
Ay hindi. Sira na pala dito. Open mo.
Wow! Ay, tigisa tayo. Akin yung
Open mo.
Bag.
Ang laki ng bag ah.
That's it. This is in the bag.
Oh, may bag ka na sa school na marami pag school, pag small. Open it.
Bag. This is a backpack.
Ayan oh, pang school. Oh.
Camping.
Dalawa, tag-isa talaga kayo ni Nainay.
Never in your life. This is no pangalan. Then I'm just gonna open.
Panganay, may malilit pa.
Oh, may malilit na.
Ang daming laman oh.
Huh?
Ang daming laman. Saan kaya galing yan?
Toothbrush.
Oh, meron o.
Pouch naman.
It's a top. Oh my god, this is a squishy. Remember the orange one, the black and the one with the penguin? It has a sister now.
Kamukha ko yan. Sige, kamukha mo yan. Sa'yo na.
I love it. I need to have this. I will match with Nana now.
Okay, next.
The last one. This is the last one. Inside.
Cute naman. I love purple. Gusto mo na rin?
Next. Next. Bring it here, all.
I'm just gonna
Dito sa gitna, dalhin mo mana.
This is